What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 or 11 boot error code 0xc00000e. So let's get right into it. So if you're getting this error, there's not too much things that you can do to essentially fix this error, and the easiest thing that you can do without actually going to like having a USB device added to it or whatever the case may be, or like another hard drive added into it, or like a fresh new Windows, is essentially you going into the troubleshoot mode, which is basically, it could be a variety of keys. So it's as soon as you turn on your computer, you just press F9, F10, F11, or F12. It's one of these. You repeatedly press them until you get to that basically recovery page, and it'll look like what you're seeing on the screen here. You can then, basically once you're in this page, you need to do troubleshoot, and then after you press troubleshoot, you're going to get to like the advanced option. This is where you can do a few things. So I'm going to say basically go with automatic repair and try that. Once you go down this route, it should automatically fix it for you, this issue basically. And if it does not, then you can start going into the other options, which is system restore. This is going to make sure it's going to restore it at another point in time, either a fresh install or like maybe before an update. It took like it took like a snapshot, I should say, of your system, and it'll install to that point. Then the rest ones which is what I was mentioning, you can do the system image recovery, which is you can utilize a USB drive, a CD, external hard drive, whatever the case may be, to essentially reinstall Windows or fresh install Windows to essentially fix the issue. So yeah, those are the main steps that you guys can do. Once you guys do those, you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification button, and more tutorials out. Peace.